Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you planning to start an e-commerce business? Then this video is for you. In this series, we will cover seller account creation, product catalog uploading, order management, shipping, payments, useful tips and tricks, and many more topics that will help you grow as a Meesho seller. So, if you don't want to miss any of these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's create your Meesho seller account step by step. First, open your browser and search for Meesho website. Open the official website. If you want, you can also search for Meesho supplier panel. Here at the top right corner, there is a become a supplier. So click on become a supplier. Once the page opens, click on start selling or create account. Now you will see the registration page. Here you need to verify your mobile number. Enter your mobile number that you want to use for your seller account. Now click on send OTP. You will receive an OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP and verify your mobile number. Once the verification is completed, you will move to the next step. Here, if you already have an account, you can sign in directly. If OTP is not get for your mobile, you can click on resend OTP. Here there is two options, with GST and without GST. If you already have a GST number, simply enter it and continue with the registration process. If you don't have a GST number, don't worry. Meesho also supports selling under eligible non-GST categories. In this video, I will continue with the GST, but the remaining steps are almost the same for both GST and non-GST sellers. Now enter your GST number carefully. With the GST and without GST, the only difference in details is GST number. And with the GST, some details are automatically fetched. So without GST, you need to enter manually. After you are entering the GST number, Meesho will automatically fetch your registered business details, your business name, PAN number, and business type and business address. Next, enter your pickup address. This is the location from where your courier partners will collect your products. Make sure to enter the correct address, PIN code, and contact details. Now enter your bank details. Provide your account number and re-enter the account number and IFSC code. Check everything carefully before submitting because this bank account will be used to receive your payments from Meesho. After entering, you need to click on verify the bank details. After creating an account, if you want to change your address, pickup address or return address, you can raise ticket in supplier panel. Now moving to the next page, supplier details. In this page, you need to provide your details like your store name and your full name and your email ID and again your business type. Finally, click on two checkboxes to receive updates on WhatsApp. After completing all the details, click on submit. Your Meesho Seller account has now been created successfully. That's it for today's video. In this video, we learned how to create a Meesho Seller account step by step, along with the difference between GST and non-GST registration. In the next video, I will show you how to upload your first product catalog. Here you also need to upload your e-signature. If you have any questions or face any issues during the registration process, just leave a comment below. I will personally read your comments and do my best to reply and help you. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce guidance. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.